Assalamu alaikum. Again, welcome back with lecture number 5 of computer subject for class 6 students. Overview of last lectures. In our previous lectures, we have completed our two chapters. First is Introduction to Computer and the second is Input Output Devices. Hopefully these two chapters are clear, and now let's take to move to the chapter number 3. Now come to the today's topic. Today we have discussed usage of the internet, which is our chapter number 3, and this is the last chapter of first term syllabus in your computer handout. Whenever we have discussed the internet, our first topic is connectivity. How we can connect our system with internet. So internet is a global network of computer. Actually internet है क्या? Internet एक global way में it's a large network of computer. A user needs a telephone lines, a DSL or cable modem, a gateway, a browser and ISP to access internet. जब भी user whenever they can connect with the internet, they need some telephone lines, DSL cables or a modem, a gateway, a browser or ISP. These all things are necessary to connect with the internet. The second topic is ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. ISP assign a username and password to each user to connect to the internet. Whenever you can take the internet from any side, from any way, you must have a username and password for your connection. आप जिस भी तरीके से नेट यूज़ करते हैं, आइदर वो टेलीफोन वायर से केबल नेट यूज़ कर रहे हैं या वायरलेस मीडिया आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, यू मस्ट हैव सम यूज़र नेम एंड पासवर्ड फॉर योर स्पेसिफिक इंटरनेट एरिया. When a user is connected to the internet, he or she is said to be online. And when you are disconnected, you said to be offline. ये तो आप सबको मालूम है कि जब आप इंटरनेट पर कनेक्ट होते हैं इंटरनेट से, you said to be online, कि आप ऑनलाइन हैं. And when you are not connected, when you are not using your internet connection, so you said to be offline. Now let's come to the uses of the internet. There are a lot of uses of the internet, but in your syllabus, in your class 6 level, we have discussed a few uses in this chapter. The most common use of the internet are browsing the web for the information, sending emails, blogging, instant messaging, chat rooms and social media. In this chapter we have discussed a few uses of the internet. Let's discuss each use in detail. Blogging. Blogging enable a user to create an online journal called blog. So what is blog? Blog actually एक online journal or for making an online diary websites for the information. अब उस वेबसाइट को या उस जर्नल को या पर्सनल डायरी को जो ब्लॉगर्स होते हैं, दोज हु कैन मेक द ब्लॉग इज़ कॉल्ड अ ब्लॉगर्स. ब्लॉगर्स जो हैं वो उस डेली डायरी को या उस जर्नल को डेली अपडेट्स कर रहे हैं या उसमें डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं रिलेटेड विद देयर ब्लॉग. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द ब्लॉगिंग. इन द ब्लॉग वी राइट ऑन वेरियस टॉपिक्स. मुख्तलिफ टॉपिक्स पे लिखा जाता है, सच एज ट्रैवलिंग, कि वो कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, अबाउट देयर कंप्यूटर्स, अबाउट देयर एक्सेसरीज, अबाउट द कुकिंग, बुक्स एंड सो ऑन. एंड द अदर यूज़र कैन रीड द ब्लॉग्स एंड लीव कमेंट्स फॉर ब्लॉगर्स एंड अदर्स. जो अदर यूज़र्स होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, अगर उनको कोई क्यूरीज़ हैं, उन्होंने कुछ पूछना है उस वेबसाइट से रिलेटेड, उस ब्लॉग से रिलेटेड, तो वो अपने कमेंट्स उस पर लीव करते हैं. अगर वो उनको लाइक्स कर रहे हैं, डिसलाइकिंग कर रहे हैं या उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कोई भी क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं, तो वो वहाँ पर क्वेश्चन को लीव किया जाता है. एक्चुअली ब्लॉगिंग है क्या? एक ऑनलाइन, लेट सपोज़ आपकी कोई पर्सनल डायरी है, आप डेली उसमें कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं। जब आप अपनी पर्सनल डायरी को ऑनलाइन करेंगे, पब्लिश कर देंगे ताकि वो पूरी सोशल मीडिया पे तमाम स्टूडेंट्स उसको व्यू कर सकें, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द ब्लॉगिंग। Instant messaging. IM enable us to stay in touch with family members, friends, and colleagues through the internet. Windows Live Messenger is popular IM services. What is IM? Instant messaging. You just can type a message and send it, and they can receive within a minute to the other one with the help of internet. जो आजकल इंटरनेट का बहुत ही कॉमन यूज़ किया जा रहा है फॉर सेंडिंग मैसेजिंग टू ईच अदर, with the help of voice message, with the help of pictures, with the help of text. You just can type the message and send it a lot of peoples, यानी एक ही टाइम में आप नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स को उस मैसेज को सेंड कर सकते हैं with the help of internet. Chat rooms. Chat rooms are virtual place on the internet where people can send text messages, pictures to each other on the topics of common interest. Chat rooms क्या है? जहाँ नंबर ऑफ़ पीपल आपस में बैठ के एक दूसरे के साथ चिट चैट कर रहे होते हैं. मीन्स वो you should can sit in your own home and you can send your messages with the help of internet, and you all are come in a chat room. आप physically appear नहीं होंगे, but with the help of internet you just can send messaging and chit chat to each other with the help of internet. Now comes to the social network. Social networking includes a variety of web-based applications which allow social interaction between online users. Some examples of social networking are Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. What is social networking? Whenever we can discuss the internet, जैसे ही internet का word mind में आता है, the first thing comes in mind is social networking. Means a user can interact with the other peoples, a user can interact with the number of peoples in internet, and they can share their opinions, they can share their pictures, they can share their videos, they can share their information with the help of internet. There are a lot of example of social networking, but few are given over there, like the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, where the peoples are interact to each other. The next is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a new way of sharing computer resources. The term cloud refers to the internet and the storage space on a large server. Actually, what is the cloud computing and why are we using the cloud computing? A cloud computing is a very important benefit of the internet. Whenever you are using the internet, and with the help of internet, a user can store and save their data to the cloud computing. अगर यूज़र की कोई इंपॉर्टेंट फाइल्स हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट पिक्चर्स और वीडियोज़, वॉट एवर यू हैव योर डेटा, you can save it on the cloud computing. And in case of your hardware failure, अगर आपका कोई कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप करप्ट हो जाता है, हार्डवेयर ख़राब हो जाते हैं, आपका डेटा जो है वो क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग में सेव रहेगा. To access any data or application, the user only need to connection to the internet. Just you can connect it with the internet and you can access and you can get your data from the cloud computing. Top benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a big shift from the traditional way businessing. Think about the IT resources. Here are 7 common reasons organizations are turning to the cloud computing. Actually, cloud computing nowadays are very widely used in offices, in the large organizations, just because their benefits like cost, speed, global scale, productivity, reliability, security, and their performance. These all are the top benefits of the cloud computing, so that's why cloud computing are widely used nowadays. Now the assignment time, students. Question number 1, do complete fill in the blanks on page number 27. In your handout, page number 27, you must be fill these blanks. Question number 2, write down the name of internet connection you use at your home. अपने इंटरनेट कनेक्शन का नाम बताइए जो आप अपने घर में कॉमनली यूज़ करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what are the drawback means what is the disadvantage of the social media in your opinion. आपके ख़्याल में सोशल नेटवर्किंग की या सोशल मीडिया की क्या ड्रॉबैक्स हैं. ड्रॉबैक्स मीन्स डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ द internet or social media. Write in your opinions, at least write down the 5 steps, and you have a blank sheets in your handout, so you attempt these answers in your handout. Review of today's lecture. Students, today we have complete our chapter number 3, which is the uses of internet, and we have covered all these topic: connectivity, ISP, blogging, IM, chat room, social networking, cloud computing, and the benefits of cloud computing. You just can remember its name, and hopefully this chapter is clear and you should do their assignment, and students start learning of all these chapter exercises. Take care of yourself, beta. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.